Shake that. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet.
Very good. There we go.
Hey! Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Hello, everybody.
What's up, Voyagers?
We're on our way to Hotlanta.
We're on the road right now. We just left Charleston a little while ago, and we still have another 4 hours, so
we got a long drive. We're gonna go to Atlanta. We're gonna stay at a state park in the middle of nowhere, so we're gonna have a pretty chill week. We're off. Everyone's all packed up. Wanna see the kids? Hey, Boo. Meow. Hey, Lulu. How you doing? Hey, Mr. Man. Hey, Jack. What are you doing? I wanted to show you guys our awesome campsite. We are really in the middle of nowhere and there is nobody here. And the dog is super stoked because we have a ton of walking trails. So we already went for a walk this morning. And it's just gonna be a really nice, relaxing 2 weeks. So take a look at this site. And Brienne's outside. She's super happy. Hi, Brienne. You stoked? You loving it? Brienne. Hot out here, huh? It's too hot. Hello, everybody. I thought it would be nice to show you guys kind of our whole RV. I don't know if everybody's seen our renovation post, but we have done some updates since then. And just to give you a little glimpse into the everyday life of what we've got going on here. We live in a very tiny space, so we don't have a lot of stuff, but I'll even go ahead and open some cabinets and show you around. Usually if this door is open, there's at least one cat standing here. Here's Aaron, he's working. This is where he sits all day.
all day, every day.
All day, every day. All right, so we walk in, you can see we've got our kitchen here, our dining space, and our 2 chairs, which you can see the cats have gotten to. Super fancy. Turn around, we got our plant wall. This is my favorite part of the house. Plant wall. In here, we have shoes. So we have hanging shoes, shoved shoes. So it's just a nice way to keep our shoes out of the way. Coming to the bedroom. We got Peek Peek. Hi, Peek. This is our bedroom. We got some plant life in here. A little bit of storage up here. These are our closets. They are not big. Actually, I'm going to show you Aaron's closet. But we have some extra storage down here that we also use as like a nightstand. My computer, book, my phone all sits up here right next to the bed. So we built these shelves in here. They're pretty janky, but they do the job. We've got 3 shelves for all of our clothes. We don't have much. Here's Jack. Jack. Oh, and inside, our only TV is in here. It's pretty big, it's nice. It's basically right in front of our faces. So we come in here at night and watch TV. So we've got our kitchen. We drink water out of a Brita. We don't drink the tap water, even though this is filtered water, but we drink that. We've got a hanging basket here for extra food storage. Up here are our plates and cups and everything. We've got a microwave and our tiny little stove. And we even have a working oven. Everything gets burned, but it works. And down here we've got storage, paper towels, trash bags, towels and stuff. We've got an underhanging paper towel thing where we have our silverware, our other kitchen utensils, and just some extra miscellaneous storage down there. This is our freezer. We have a pretty big freezer. Mostly just frozen fruit in there right now. And our fridge, which is actually stocked. We got some hummus, we got some tofu, lentils, we got a tofu press. If you're vegan and you eat tofu and you don't own one of these, you are missing out. We will link below to the Tofu Express. We've recently gotten into kombucha. Really big fans of kombucha right now. We got a whole outside fridge full of them right now. We made some nacho cheese sauce. We got tempeh, some asparagus, which is good grilling food. Some peppers. You know, just the staples, normal stuff. Excuse me, Jack. Excuse me. Here's the dog food and the water that everybody uses. Up here is our nightmare. This is basically my biggest nightmare. It's just food shoved. There's one shelf back there and everything just gets shoved in. We recently stocked up because we're here for 2 weeks and don't have a lot of access to a grocery store, so we kind of just shoved everything in there. Down here, another nightmare. We've got all of our spices. We drink Vega protein shakes. We got, you know, some Bragg's apple cider vinegar. We got some good stuff in here. Back there, we've got a whole thing of tea, all of our spices. And down below is another nightmare. We've got Tupperware and our pots and pans. Then we come around to this side. We've got more storage. Up here is our Vitamix. We've got a pitcher, we've got the Vitamix stand, and a rice cooker, which we love. We use that constantly. And here, we've got a couple different things going on. This is where we store more of our bowls and such. There's mixed with dog food and cat food. There's just a pile of who knows what back there. And then in here is where we have the animal food stored. Chicken food, dog food, everything. This is our tiny, tiny bathroom. And you can see there's not much to it. We use these towels. These are Turkish towels. They're super lightweight and they dry quickly because we don't have a lot of circulation going on in here. So we use these. It kind of feels like you're washing yourself with like a tablecloth or drying off with a tablecloth, but we like them. We've gotten used to them. We have a skylight. It's being held up by duct tape. We got a little plant. A couple little knickknacks. Our little trailer. Our toilet has a foot pedal, which is interesting. We have some storage in here and up here, and I pulled out some of the products we use. So we use Dr. Bronner's for body wash, for hand soap and stuff like that. I use Giovanni brand shampoo and conditioner. I buy this stuff at Whole Foods, but I've seen it at Trader Joe's, not this brand, but it's vegan and cruelty free. And I love Alba products. I use all my face stuff is Alba, which is also vegan and cruelty free. Love that stuff. We're not on sewer hookups, so our tiny little shower is not being used. And everything that we have is in bags because we go to the campground showers and we just use our bags. But that is our tiny shower. All right, we turn around. This is the cat or the dog toy box. It's being destroyed by cats. You can see it's turned into a makeshift cat scratching post. And here's our coat rack on the back of this door. And on top of Brienne's cage, this is Brienne's coop. She's not in here, she's outside. And we've got a cat bed, and like a little cat cubby hole that they never use. Inside here is just another place to shove stuff. We've got blankets and sheets and bags and towels and everything else shoved in there. We got this shelf from IKEA. It has these little pull-outs. Who even knows what's in here? The drone box, some of our like financial stuff, just kind of a mix mash of who knows what. Who knows? This is our cat box. There's a cat bed up here. Cat box. It's got a curtain. I won't really show you that. We've got a mat that helps keep the litter in check. And we've got this bench seat here. And this actually has storage underneath it. In there we have extra cat food and all the chicken feed, which is like giant bags. So here's a bunk. We got a bunk up here. Usually there's 100 cats up there. In here we actually put these cabinets on ourselves. It was open. It's supposed to be for a TV, but we put our backpacks, Aaron's camera bag, like our camelbacks and stuff, so like for all our hiking gear and like our camera gears in here. And there's a plug up at the top. Oh, that's funny, there's still all this tape. So there's a plug so we can charge stuff. And then this bottom cabinet is Aaron's daughter's stuff for when she visits. So that's it. That's our little tour. Tiny little house.
Tiny little house, but it's our house.
It's our house. And generally there's cats sitting on this table because this is like the prime spot for some bird watching. So there's usually a cat here and a cat here and somebody looking out this window. It's got a nice spot here. Not a lot of people around. And usually this is happening. Got a bunch of cats just lined up. Sometimes it feels like we have more cats than we do. Sometimes you don't see them at all, and it's just what it is. Hopefully that wasn't like the most boring thing you've ever seen. I feel like some people want to learn how to live in an RV, and if this can help you, we are glad to be able to help you. It is not a glamorous life. We've made it our own. You know, painting and doing some renovations was really beneficial to us. And yeah, just, you know, make it your own, and happy travels. We are basically just working for the rest of the week, taking it easy, sitting outside. The chicken and the dog are happy out there. We will see you soon.